to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my baked chicken cutlet puttanesca. Really easy dish to do, and having it all in one pan just makes it so easy to clean up. Alright, let's get on with it. Right, here I've got a bunch of chicken thigh cutlets. I've bought that from my local supplier, and I'm going to season this up. And I've got equal amounts of salt, pepper, and paprika. And I've just mixed all that through, just a nice little quick seasoning. Give that a good liberal seasoning all over the top of that chicken skin. I'm going to try and get these a little bit crunchy in the oven when we do this. So just keep pouring that all over the top like I've done there. Good glug of olive oil into a baking dish. 1 400-gram can of crushed tomatoes. That can go straight in. This has got to be one of the easiest Italian dishes that you could ever make. So just give that a little bit of a stir through, just like that. I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm going to add in the equivalent of about 2 to 3 cloves worth of garlic. And I'm just going to use the garlic paste because it's going to incorporate into the sauce really easily. If you want to use fresh garlic, by all means, you can do that. This is just real quick and easy to do. Give that a bit of a mix through, as you can see, and we can start arranging our chicken thigh cutlets all around on top of our sauce, just like that, and try and get them sort of evenly spaced through. And my oven is sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, just that magic number. As you can see, we're just arranging those chicken cutlets nice and evenly, just like that, all one layer. If you've got any leftover bits of herbs and spices, so chuck that on top. Here I've got some sliced black olives. Add as much or little as you like. Just sprinkle those around, just like that. And I'm going to get a little bit more flavour happy here. I want a little bit of onion. So I've just got an onion which I've given that a rough, sort of chop, and just put that wherever you can fit them into that pan. The juices will come out and add a really nice flavour to our little sauce and to our chicken pieces. Alright. And I'm also going to get some mixed Italian herbs, just dried Italian herbs, sprinkle those over the top, just like that, and they will work wonders once they start cooking off. So just give those a bit of a sprinkle, like that. How easy is this dish already? Let's use the whole container, nothing left in there. And here I've got some little button mushrooms. I've given those a little bit of a wipe down with a damp cloth, cut those in half, and we're just going to put those around as well, just like that. How easy is this? And it actually ends up being really cost effective too. This dish will easily feed 4 people, and not for a lot of dollar. I think those chicken thigh cutlets ended up being about 1.2 kilos or something at $7 a kilo. A few bits of bacon, we can put that on, again, as much or little as you like. I've just got bacon, giving that a bit of a slice through, and I'm going to put that on top. And once that fat renders down, it's going to add even more flavour. Add a couple of lemon wedges. That lemon's just going to give this a real nice zing, which is absolutely perfect for what we're doing here. Alright, so that's done. Our oven's on. That's going into the oven. I'm going to leave it for about 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius. We'll take it out. It looks like that. Looks fantastic. Mrs. KP is getting some pasta ready for me, and we can get ready to serve up. I'm just going to use a little bit of fusilli or spiral type pasta. Add as much or little of the chicken pieces and vegetables as you wish, and make sure you get a little bit of sauce as well. And there you go. You've got your baked chicken thigh cutlet puttanesca. How easy was that? Love to see you try and make this one at home. A little bit of shaved parmesan over the top. You could use grated if you want. I just felt like using shaved on this particular dish. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make really nice quick Italian dish or Mediterranean style dish just like this one, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my oven baked chicken cutlet puttanesca, and I will catch you next time. Bye.